Now I will walk you through the installation of the OTP Pneumatic straight feed die. These are all the accessories for the OTP Pneumatic straight feed die. Upper cutter, upper spacer. Insert a wrench for easier blade mounting. Fit the upper inner blade stripper plate. Upper outer blade and locking block in sequence. Once all parts are fitted, fasten and lock them with screws. The die frame assembly is now complete. Next, let's install the feeding plate. First, lay the guide cover plate onto the feeding base plate. Align all screws with their mounting holes and tighten them with a wrench. After tightening, thread the terminal strip to the plate. Adjust the feeding plate position to leave a 0.01 mm clearance, ensuring free movement of terminals. Tighten the fixing screws after adjustment. Then place the pressure plate in. Position and secure it with screws. Install the 4 fixing screws one by one. Slide a washer onto each screw. Fit the spring over the screw. Add another washer. Then screw on the wing nut at the end. Thread the terminal strip through the feeding plate. The feeding plate installation is finished. Now mount the whole feeding plate. Assembly onto the die frame. Insert screws into the threaded holes and fully tighten them with a wrench. The full assembly of the OTP Pneumatic straight feed die is completed. That's the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching.